Norm. Norman. Normie.
What did you find?
Got a water today.
Oh my goodness!
Like, oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Like, oh my goodness! Oh my!
Did you find something out there? Did you?
All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is now day 8 officially of our 2018 Michigan summer trip. We are getting ready to load up the Escape, and we are going to be going go-karting. Because I want to, and go-karting's fun, and why not? And then we're gonna hit the pool. We're gonna come back here later and barbecue and set up fireworks and all kinds of fun stuff like that. So this is our last real full day here in Michigan. Tomorrow we leave, tomorrow evening, and yeah, that's it. So stay tuned. All right, so we are going from the Escape to the Edge. What do you say about that?
Shotgun.
No.
Yeah.
6-stroke limit per hole. Okay. Mini golf. Mini golf. Mini golf.
I'll go last.
Mini golf.
I'll go second.
I got the shorts and all the plaid sweaters. That new tailor-made driver didn't make me any better. Man, I hit 'em fat and I hit 'em thin. I roll 'em in the bunkers, man, I hit 'em again. Slice 'em in the bushes, crank 'em in the creek. I pop that sucker up and hook it out in the street. Yeah, I'm 245, right down the middle, and I'm Mr. Green to the left, just a little. Chili dip a wedge and put it all together. Hit that son of a bitch right up there.
So, whoa, Bundy! JD Racing. We're going inside. It's dead. So what do you think, babe? She's just gonna rest her arms, and then we're gonna do the fast ones. Yes, those are the slow ones we just did. Why one's so slow? Those are pretty quick. Those probably go like another 10 miles an hour. Did you get third best of the week? Yep. Hell yeah! Third best time of the week.
What did it raise you to? So he went from 22.
I know, you almost got 28. Final scores. This is the first race with the slower carts. I got third because my cart was, well, I just couldn't do it good. So I got third on that one, and I got fourth on this one against these other guys. So, I did okay. It'll take time to learn. But yeah, I'll figure it out someday. But it's fun stuff. Ah. Whoa. I want to go in there. Oh my god, this is even colder. Ah! Whoa, that's cool. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Sleeping. Cheers, everyone.
Oh, girl. Those are better than the little missiles. Oh. Okay, run! Run! It's the big gigantic. Whoa! Oh shoot.
Oh, get back, get back. Okay. Oh, why are they going? Tyrion, get back. This is great.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yay!
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, let's hide in the garage.
I didn't want to.
Scary. Oh, oops.
This place is like a Walmart, Target all in one. 1 cent. Target and a Walmart all in one. You get everything in here. There she goes. Whee! Let's get some new shorts. Who's that?